Setting up email notifications in Porsline's Pro and Enterprise accounts helps you stay informed when a new response is submitted, and automatically sends confirmation emails back to respondents. Imagine you're managing a job application form. You can configure it so that each department gets notified whenever a new application comes in, without having to check the results constantly. In a conference registration form, the registration team can receive instant notifications when someone signs up. In a customer satisfaction survey, the support team can be alerted immediately when a complaint is submitted, allowing them to follow up faster. Or, in an order form, both the internal team and the customer can automatically receive a copy of the order details. Respondents can also receive a copy of their submitted answers via email, even in online tests, without any extra steps. To enable email notifications, go to your form settings, click on Notifications, and select Email Notifications. You can choose to notify yourself, the respondent, or both. By default, the notification will be sent to your registered Porsline email address, but you can easily add other recipients. If your form includes an email-type question, Porsline will automatically recognize it and send a notification email to the respondent. Both the subject and body of the email are fully customizable. You can use dynamic variables by typing the I symbol to insert details like the respondent's answers, a chart link, form title, or any specific response to your email content. There's also a reply to feature. For example, imagine you have a support request form shared across your organization. When a team member submits a request, the technical lead receives a notification. If the tech support agent wants to reply directly to the requester, they can simply respond to the notification email, provided the form has collected the requester's email address. Adding an email question ensures that replies are possible and that communication remains seamless. If you're using the Enterprise plan, you have access to advanced conditions for notifications. You can create smart filters so that only specific responses trigger an email. For instance, you could make a filter for dissatisfied customers, though you only get notified when a respondent gives a rating below 4. Any filter you set up in the report section can be used to automate these notifications. For more details on using filters, you can check out the Advanced Filters tutorial designed for enterprise users. By setting up email notifications, you can save time, respond faster, and stay connected to your respondents without constantly monitoring your dashboard. Start using this feature today to make your forms smarter and your workflow easier. Our support team is always ready to help if you have any questions.